Hello guys and welcome to this video about Coursiv AI. On this platform I will show you how it works and what you can do with it. So here we are at the home screen. Today task is complete, you can see right here, because I already did a learning challenge, and if we scroll down you can pick up where you left off. So I did a AI mastery about ChatGPT, but there are also other things to do, like browse all other guides. So Midjourney, for example, is a specific guide, Jasper.ai, DALL-E, and many more actually. So here are also some recommended for me, and here you can see some challenges you can also do. So a 28-day AI challenge and also a 14-day AI side gigs challenge. And here you got some AI tools, for example. So for example, ideas, article to post, AI story generator, caption writer, AI blog writer, a lifestyle coach, for example, translate into multiple languages at the same time, productivity tools, and many more tools, as you can see right here. Also a logo maker, etc. So a lot of things actually, and you can get help by any task with image gen. So to create images, let me go through that, for example, and then for example generate a high quality image of a cozy reading nook. So here we are, a high quality image of a cozy reading nook. So this is pretty funny, and you can just download it at the top right here at this symbol here. And so you can do many more. So also a business coach expert, ChatGPT Classic, and AI assistant. So let us now go to, for example, to this AI mastery with ChatGPT. So down here is the basics of ChatGPT, and then you go to prompt engineering, advanced prompt techniques, and then you earn a certificate, and then you go, for example, to Midjourney if you want to. So let's click here, intro to prompting, prompt engineering matters. So you can click on listen or read. For now I do read because otherwise it will be in the video. So here, prompt engineering. Last time we delved into the realm of LLMs and ChatGPT. Now let's build on that knowledge by diving deeper into the basics of prompt engineering. Buckle up, get started. So here's some basic text about the last one I did. But what exactly is a prompt? So they go over and explain what a prompt is. So here they explain it a bit more. A prompt directs the model response by providing context and specific instructions. So for instance, write a story about a cat is a prompt. The AI model uses the input to generate its output, in this case a story about a cat. So you can also use it for school, of course, and safety prompts. Let's do open playground. Write a description story about a cat. So let's say write a short story about a cat. It will contain the word playful and pause. Click on check. And here you can see, one sunny afternoon, Mittens, a playful tabby cat, chased after a fluttering butterfly in the garden. Her paws danced lightly on the grass and she leaped and twirled with joy. So that's, for example, a test, and then we go up to the next one. And here is actually a question. Why is prompt engineering so important? Because it allows the leverage to full potential of LLMs. It enhances the accuracy of the responses and it saves time. I would say all of them. And here you got some little explanation why. Click on continue, and here are some more techniques. So if you need to learn more about a certain cat breed, I would say tell us more about a certain, so I would say this one. And just click on continue. You can also skip it if you don't want to do the practice, and also continue right here, and just keep on clicking continuing, and then you can also finish the lessons if you just want to read and not do the tasks. So let's go back and let's do a challenge. For example, let's do a 14-day AI side gigs challenge, and here we go. build your AI-powered income stream. So the duration for this challenge, for example, is 14 days and level is beginner. And how does it work? Each day discover new ways to earn money with AI tools, master customer support, design, copywriting and more, unlock practical tips, complete tasks and start building your AI-powered side hustle to make your free time profitable. And here you have some success stories, but let's click on join now. We are excited to see you, ready to get started. Let's say yes. We will look at the 12 AI-powered side gigs and you'll be able to determine which one suits you the best and fits your schedule. So each lesson will cover responsibilities, salary rates and how to optimize tasks with AI. And you'll also discover where to find projects for each hustle. By the end you have everything you need to start earning alongside your main job. Click on continue and here you have, for example, how to apply tools like ChatGPT to boost your earnings and DALL-E to maximize your extra income with illustrations. A few tips, write down the key rules and ideas as you progress. So here we go. Keep in mind most AI tools operate in English. For this reason all screenshots and examples will be in English in the app. And you also can test your knowledge through the challenge. So pay close attention as you explore each lesson. I'm committed, you have to commit yourself to it. And here we go. From all of us at Coursiv, we wish you a journey filled with growth and accomplishment. So here we go actually. Click on continue and here is day 1. And here you can see all the days and all the topics. So you also have like text hyper, freelance writer, product reviewer, virtual assistant, content moderator, online tutor, social media manager, e-commerce reseller, customer service manager, online bookkeeper, illustrator, SEO specialist, and where to find side gigs. So these side gigs will all be explained in the upcoming days. And then we click on start now, and here we are. Click on get started, and here you see side gigs aren't just trending. Click on continue, and here you have some basic information. You can read that all through yourself, of course. And let's just click on continuing. And content creation. So you will learn to earn by creating content, for example, just like this video is actually funny. And here it will go over all the tools that we will learn. So ready to begin, let's say yes. So that's day 1, but in the next days it will all be more specific. So let's also do the 28-day challenge. And this is not the latest. I mean, you also have the 2025 challenge, but let's do the 28-day AI challenge of 2024. Click on join now. And these are all the tools you get access to just to try them out and learn about it and how to use them to make money. So a lot of important apps are here already, like InVideo, ChatGPT, DALL-E. These are all, and Midjourney, these are all things I use myself as well, like OpenAI and Microsoft Copilot, Jasper AI for content creating, and Flicky is for content creation also. And the rest I don't really use at the moment. HeyGen is also pretty great to create characters. So I have to learn about them as well. Let's click on here. So the first tool is ChatGPT. And let's click on continue. Let's say yes, submit. Here we are, ChatGPT. LLM models. Imagine a tool that can write essays, generate reports, and even develop marketing plans on command. This is not the future, it's here with ChatGPT. And here it explains what ChatGPT does and how it can help you. So it can do a lot of things, but also generate a market plan, for example. And here you got some more questions. supervised learning model. So that's not good enough. So this is another answer. I have to look close at them just to really do things. And there it explains what is a prompt. And so fourth, so which is not a task that ChatGPT can perform. Live customer service call, it cannot do actually. And we click on continue, and there are, which is a good prompt. I would say this one, because this is the most specific one. Identify the bad prompt. Business stuff, it's too broad, it's not really specific. And just click on continue, and that's how to finish the first lesson and how to learn about, let's say this was okay. And you will learn about all these kinds of things and how to use them and how to make money with them, etc. So that's actually it, guys. Here's, for example, one more tool just to show you, Trend Finder. What are the current trends in digital marketing? And here we go. It's loading. As of October 2023, but you can also ask for the newest. AI machine learning, video content dominance is still a thing, influencer marketing evolution, sustainability and social responsibility, voices optimization, augmented reality, data privacy and security, and community building. And there's also upcoming trends and content IDs for it, so it can create specific output for you, and you can also even add more things on top of it. So this is just a short overview of how Coursiv AI works, and if you have any questions, please leave them below. I have to say, guys, this is a sponsored video, so I will put the link down below. It is an affiliate link. Of course, you are free to use it, you don't have to, but I do like the tool, in my opinion, because you can learn a lot about the, for example, Midjourney I use a lot to create my images, and Jasper AI to create a script. So you can learn a lot more about these tools, and I have to learn a lot about it myself as well, so I use it as well for this. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day.